Hi everyone, welcome to Nor Kids TV, the place where science comes to life one cell at a time. Today we're diving into the amazing microscopic world of plant and animal cells. Have you ever wondered what makes a leaf green, or how your own body is powered by tiny structures you can't even see? Well, it all starts with cells, the building blocks of life. An animal cell is a type of eukaryotic cell, meaning it has a real nucleus protected by a membrane, just like a VIP office in the center of the cell. Unlike plant cells, animal cells don't have a cell wall. They're soft and flexible. Inside, they're packed with organelles like the nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, and more, each doing a specific job to keep the cell alive and working. Animal cell types. There are many types of animal cells, each specially designed to perform specific functions in the body. Here are some of the most common types: skin cells, nerve cells, blood cells, fat cells, muscle cells. Skin cells. These cells form the outer layer of the body. They protect the body from germs, injury, and dehydration. Nerve cells. These cells carry messages between the brain and the rest of the body. They are responsible for communication and coordination. Blood cells includes red blood cells, carry oxygen, white blood cells, fight infections, and platelets help in clotting. They circulate throughout the body in the bloodstream. Fat cells. These cells store energy in the form of fat. They also help insulate the body and protect organs. Muscle cells. These cells help in movement by contracting and relaxing. They make up muscles and are responsible for all body movements. All right, folks, meet the plant cell. Basically, the eco-friendly, solar-powered cousin of the animal cell. It has a cell wall for structure, a nucleus to control everything, and chloroplasts that turn sunlight into food. Plus, a large vacuole stores water and keeps the plant standing tall. In short, tough wall, smart center, sun-powered and water-packed. That's a plant cell. Simple, strong, and super green. Plant cell types. In mature and higher plants, cells become specialized to perform important functions needed for the plant's survival. Some help in transporting water and nutrients, while others are involved in support, storage, or food transport. Here are the major types of plant cells: collenchyma cells, parenchyma cells, sclerenchyma cells, phloem cells, xylem cells, parenchyma cells. These are the most common and versatile plant cells. They help in photosynthesis, storage, and wound healing. Collenchyma cells. These cells provide flexible support, especially in young stems and leaves. They have thickened cell walls but are still alive and can stretch. Sclerenchyma cells. These are dead, tough cells that give the plant strength and rigidity, found in hard parts like stems, nutshells, and seed coats. Xylem cells. Specialized cells that transport water and minerals from roots to the rest of the plant, includes vessels and tracheids. Phloem cells. These transport food, mainly sugars, made in the leaves to other parts of the plant. Includes sieve tubes and companion cells. Cell organelles. Cell organelles are tiny structures inside cells that perform specific functions, like mini-organs in a cell's body. They keep the cell alive, working and organized. Here are the main cell organelles and their functions. Nucleus. The control center of the cell, stores DNA and manages cell activities like growth and reproduction. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell, produces energy through respiration. Ribosomes. The protein factories of the cell. They make proteins needed for cell function. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER, rough ER with ribosomes, makes and transports proteins. Smooth ER, no ribosomes, makes lipids and detoxifies chemicals. Golgi apparatus, the packaging center of the cell, modifies, sorts and ships proteins and other materials. Lysosomes, the cleanup crew, breaks down waste, old cell parts and harmful invaders. Vacuole stores water, food and waste. In plant cells, the central vacuole helps maintain structure. Chloroplasts, only in plant cells, site of photosynthesis. Convert sunlight into food, glucose. Cell membrane, the gatekeeper. Controls what enters and exits the cell. Cell wall, only in plant cells, provides structure and protection, made of cellulose. Cytoplasm, jelly-like fluid where all organelles float, site for many chemical reactions. Cell shape, plant versus animal cells. Cells come in different shapes based on their function and type. Plant and animal cells have different shapes because of their unique structures and roles. Plant cell shape, usually rectangular or box-like. Why? Because plant cells have a rigid cell wall made of cellulose. This wall gives them a fixed, regular shape and helps form strong structures like stems and leaves. Animal cell shape, usually round, oval or irregular. Why? Animal cells don't have a cell wall, only a flexible cell membrane. This allows them to have varied shapes depending on their function. Conclusion: plant and animal cells. Both plant and animal cells are eukaryotic, meaning they have a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. While they share many similarities, they also have key differences that suit their roles in living organisms. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large central vacuole, making them ideal for photosynthesis, structure, and water storage. Animal cells are more flexible, come in varied shapes, and have specialized functions like movement, communication, and protection. Plant cells, structured, sun-powered, and water-storing. Animal cells, as flexible, dynamic, and highly specialized. And that's a wrap on plant and animal cells. We saw how they're built, how they work, and what makes them totally unique, but also totally essential for life. Same team, different roles. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quick and fun science lessons. Got questions or want more topics like this? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, every cell has a story. See you next time.